Hi Alimento lovers, let's make Ofada sauce together. Try this method and thank me later. Let's go. In a pot, I added some palm oil and a little groundnut oil. Then I saute my onions and allow to fry for 2 minutes. Then I added my pepper and tomato mix and allowed to fry for 5 minutes. So after it's fried like this with the oil frying at the top, then I'll go in with my seasoning and my spices that I'll be listing in the caption. Here I use my curry powder, my turmeric powder, ginger and garlic powder. I use my seasoning cubes and crayfish and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. Then I added my protein. Here I'm using fried fish and chicken. Know that you can use any protein of your choice. You can use assorted, you can use cow skin, any protein at all. You can use turkey, but I'm using chicken and fish for this recipe. And this is what we have. You can serve this with your white rice, your boiled yam, your white spag, anything of your choice. You can serve this delicious Ofada sauce with. Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and turn on your notification button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share. Bye guys.